We all know how important communicating in English is in the 21st century, and communication is a lot more than putting grammar and vocabulary together to make sentences. When expressing ourselves, we use a whole range of other communication strategies such as gesture, body language, eye contact, intonation, facial expression, and tone of voice, to name a few. Video can capture this in a way that audio or text cannot, making the GoGetter communication drama videos an excellent way to teach speaking in the language classroom. There is a communication drama video in every unit in GoGetter. They feature the same characters as the grammar drama videos, providing continuity from lesson to lesson and characters which students can really invest in. The short dialogues contain plenty of functional language which students can apply to many real-life situations. The focus is on natural communication with the aim of getting students speaking with confidence. Each communication lesson includes a video as well as a photo story and audio version, which allows you to run the lesson if you don't have access to technology. The short dialogue in the video is used as a model text throughout the lesson. Students use this as a skeleton for creating their own dialogues before moving on to freer, less supported tasks and activities by the end of the lesson. Further support is given via a communication box, which students can refer to when they need extra help, both inside the classroom and at home during self-study. Each lesson includes a role play as well as extra ideas for fast finishes and extension activities. Let's look at a communication drama lesson. This material comes from GoGetter Level 2, Unit 4.4. The aim of this lesson is asking for and giving opinions. For the lead-in, set some discussion questions about films, such as how often students go to the cinema and what their favourite films are. You can then focus students' attention on the photo story, asking them to identify the people in the photo before moving on to exercise 1. Give students enough time to read the questions, then play the video. Let's watch it now.
What would you like to watch?
I don't know. What's your favourite film, Lucas?
The new Action Team film. What about you, Tom?
I think Electromax is more exciting.
Well, I don't like action films. I love Happy Hedgehogs.
But it's a cartoon.
So what? It's great.
What do you think of cartoons, Lucas?
In my opinion, they're a bit silly.
You're right, they are silly.
So we all want to watch different films. But I've got the remote.
Be careful, you two! The popcorn!
Make sure everyone has the correct answers to exercise 1, then move on to exercise 2. Play the recording, allowing time for students to repeat. The next exercise is a gap fill where students need to use the new phrases in a dialogue. They should use the photo story and communication box for help. Personalise the lesson at this stage, asking students some of the questions in the communication box. Students are now ready to use the language more creatively. In pairs, students discuss different films using the language from the lesson. Finally, exercise 5 provides some exam-style practice. Fast finishers can write a list of their own favourite films, books and video games. Students can engage with all the GoGetter videos outside the classroom to take greater responsibility for their own learning. Every student gets access to extra online practice where they can re-watch videos in their own time. The access codes are printed in their workbooks. There are many ways to extend a communication lesson. The teacher's book has photocopyable activities for every communication lesson which provide further practice of the target language from the lesson. These activities provide a great springboard for students to create and act out their own role plays. I hope you and your students enjoy learning with the GoGetter communication drama video lessons, and I look forward to seeing you next time when I'll be talking about the GoGetter culture videos and how you can use them to bring culture into your classroom.
Thank you.